Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm Fawzia Anis, your English teacher, conducting today's online class. Hope you are fine and enjoying your stay at home beside doing your winter task. Boys, our today's topic is tenses. That is the last question in your winter task. We have to discuss tenses today, right? Let me tell you that we have 3 tenses in English that are the present tense, the past tense, the future tense, right? We have got 3 tenses: the present tense, the past tense, the future tense. Now, what is a tense, right? The thing is that what is a tense? Tense is a Latin word. Tense is derived. This word is derived from a Latin word. Okay? The Latin word is tempus. See, tense is derived. It is taken from a Latin word that is tempus. And tense means time. Tense means time of performing an action, right? Tense means time of performing an action. Is it clear? Now, action, what is action? What is action? You people have read. Action means verb, right? Action means verb. You have read the definition of verb, right? You have read the definition of verb in parts of speech, that a verb is a word which shows an action. A verb is a word which shows an action, right? You have done parts of speech in your previous classes, and you are familiar about the definition of verb, that it is a word which shows an action or state of being, which shows an action, right? Is it clear? Now, boys, the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. The present tense means the actions which we do in the present time, right? The actions which we perform, which we do in present time. Then past tense, the actions which we did in the past time, and the actions, the future tense means the actions which we will do in the future time, in the coming time, right? Now, the present tense, we will discuss today. In this video, we will discuss the present tense, right? What is the present tense, right? The present tense, the future, the past tense, and the future tense. Today we are going to discuss the present tense. The present tense we will discuss today. The present tense has got 4 aspects, right? 4 aspects. 4 aspects means the first aspect is present indefinite. Present indefinite, right? The second aspect of present tense is present continuous. Present continuous, right? The third aspect of present tense is present perfect, right? And the fourth aspect of present tense is present perfect continuous, right? This is the spelling of continuous. O-C-O-N-T-I-N-U-O-U-S. Sometimes the students skip this U, right? So these are the four aspects of present tense. First of all, we will discuss present indefinite. In this video, we are going to discuss present indefinite, and if there is time, we will also continue with this present continuous, right? The present tense has got four aspects: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Now let's discuss this present indefinite tense, right? Present indefinite, right? Indefinite means when the time of the action is not definite, right? And this tense shows your regular routine tasks or your habits or your daily actions, right? Present indefinite tense. Boys, before starting this present indefinite, I told you about verb, that the role of verb or forms of verbs is very important for learning these tenses, right? Forms of verbs. You people have learned forms of verb, right? Forms of verb, for example, present. Present, first form is called present, right? Second form is called past. Third form is called past participle. Past participle, right? And fourth form is called present participle form of the verb. Present participle form of the verb, right? So boys, let me tell you that in present indefinite, in this tense, this first form of the verb is used. The base form, for example, go, this is the base form, right? And S or ES form, goes. Both are present form of verb, right? Go and goes, right? In this present indefinite tense, you have to use first form of the verb, present form of the verb. This present indefinite is also called simple tense, right? So in this simple tense, you have to use first form of verb, that is go, or S or ES form of verb, that is also present, right? S or ES form of verb, like work is first form or base form, and its S or ES form is works, right? And with go, you have to use ES, that is goes, right? Goes and works. In this present indefinite tense, we have to use present form of the verb or first form of the verb, right? Is it clear? Now, there is another thing, that kinds of sentences, right? Kinds of sentences, positive, right? Positive kind, negative kind, right? And then interrogative kind, right? Positive, negative, interrogative, right? So all these three kinds of sentences we have to use in tenses. In sentences, we can write present indefinite tense in this positive sentence by using this negative sentence and interrogative sentence, right? Let me tell you the Urdu ending of present indefinite tense. Urdu ending ta hai, ti hai, te hai, right? Clear? And form of verb, as I have told you, form of verb in positive sentences, right? You have to use verb first form, base form, or verb s or es form, right? In negative, you have to use do not plus first form, and does not plus first form of verb, right? And in interrogative, do and does will come in the beginning of the word. Do and does will go in the beginning of the word, and with do and does first form, right? First form of verb first form, right? Is it clear? Okay.